ProVirtu, for everyone who want to learn. The lack of basic education, for the youth and the adults around the world has always been a problem that has affected humanity, and has created evil through the history, injustice, deceit, communication problems, among others. Now there is a globalized world, the information flows faster, and yet there are locations in which primary education has not been completed for many reasons. As you can see, in most of the world there are a high level of education, in America, Europe, Asia, and Oceania, but in Africa and some countries of Southern Asia, the education level is less than 50%. This chart shows the rate of primary school enrollments by country, showing the same as above, that the lowest inscriptions areas are Africa and Southern Asia, and finally we see a chart showing the rate of primary school completion. Everyone deserves a good education, in order to protect their rights and develop as a complete individual. So the idea of this system, which should grow to achieve global education in any situation. The desired future with this project is a world where learning is global, and there are no limitations, and abuse at the time of receiving education through a comprehensive learning system, to work towards a world where there is a better quality of life. ProVirtu will teach, evaluate and generate students' reports about their skills, must teach independently, and will be able to assist teachers, must evaluate students by its own, will be used by the teachers like a tool, will minimize the commute of many students and teachers, from their homes to the school, using virtual classrooms. To access the system, you need an user account. For create one, you press the button, sign up, and a form will be open. You need to fill all the blanks and select if you are a teacher or student. Then you press the button sign up, and you will be sent back to the login screen. Then you introduce your user and your password. By logging in, we will see a top menu, which consists of 5 options: personal, notifications, classes, subjects, and virtual classroom. For this presentation we'll show only the pages, personal, classes, subjects and evaluations. The page class is responsible for managing learning content. Here the student can search in different areas and subjects, the content that the student needs. You will find quality and reliable information. You can select several items, no matter what subjects the student registered at that time. The pages are lightly and smoothly, and give the students a dynamic environment for learning. The personal page is where the student can find the student info. Here you will have 5 tabs: General, Grades, Stats, Personal Info, and Tests. General shows the account information, the last activities list, and a skill graphic. Grades, you will find the courses taken by the student, and the grades. You will be able to calculate the average. In Stats, you will find several charts about the skills of the students, the student record, abilities, and preferences. In Personal Info, you will see and edit the student's personal information. And for last in Test, you will be able to see all your presented tests and check them. On the Evaluations page, you can see the list of activities and evidence available, depending on their stage, their areas of knowledge, and subjects. You will get the list of available evaluations. To choose one, and double-click it will display the assessment in a new window. Must be completed and then press the correct button to get the results and record them in the system. In the inscriptions page, you will be able to sign up to any subject, organized by the phases, then areas, subjects, and for last the sections for that period. And for last, I want to introduce the virtual teacher, Bordy.
Hello, nice to meet you. I hope that you enjoy the project and support the idea. Thanks.